Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.88. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance throughout this period. Interestingly, the exchange-traded fund has exceeded our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.57%. This equates to an average return of 0.29% per day since it was identified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases ahead. The present 3-month outlook suggests a possible decline of approximately 7.37% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns that could vary between -13.14% and -1.90%. Shifting our focus to the longer term, our analysis over 12 months points to a projected change of 18.30%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance might fluctuate between 12.93% and 31.30% within the next year. In terms of future pricing, this would place the anticipated value between $557.28 and $647.92. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for QQQ ETF, after gaining approximately 0.571%. The QQQ ETF price increased by approximately 0.571% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025. It rose from $490.66 to $493.46. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.649%, ranging from a low of $490.42 to a high of $493.60. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 7 instances and has risen by approximately 4.64% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares traded, amounting to around $12.73 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $540.80, while the lowest was $413.07. Currently, the price is 8.75% or $47.34 below the 52-week high of $540.80. which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments regarding the Invesco QQQ Trust signal potential volatility ahead for technology stocks. As Europe's fiscal landscape deteriorates, increased defense spending could hinder the earnings of major U.S. technology companies, raising concerns about valuation multiples and market share, which may push technology stocks towards bear territory. This shift could lead to a broader market decline, impacting the QQQ's performance in both the near and long term. On the other hand, while inflows into fixed income securities suggest a flight from the QQQ, there is a glimmer of hope as the technology sector rebounds from previous weaknesses. Share buybacks among members of the S&P 500 have surged, indicating robust investor confidence that could support prices for the QQQ. However, the looming valuation risks, combined with uncertainties surrounding a potential economic downturn, create a precarious environment. The ongoing competition from China, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence, further complicates the outlook. While the QQQ has shown strong gains, macroeconomic factors and shifts in trade policy present short-term risks. Despite the current challenges, it is essential to adopt a cautious approach to growth investing in technology, while closely monitoring key technical indicators as market conditions evolve. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 26, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative rating with a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 5.36%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence near-term developments. The QQQ ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. With the long-term average above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $505.36. Conversely, if it declines, support will be found from the short-term average at $483.20. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative trend. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $488.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $3.18 between its high and low, which is approximately 0.649%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.58%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low price-to-earnings ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $495.55. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $488.20. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Currently, QQQ displays several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative assessment of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of March, we anticipate QQQ will open lower by 97 cents, starting at $492.49. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, You accept full responsibility for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.